Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to download the YouTube thumbnail of a video inside your command line inside Python. So basically this will be a very short little Python script which will be able to download the thumbnail of the YouTube video in maximum resolution. So this is all the source code here. You can see 9 lines of code is there. So basically if I run this code here, if I run the script python app.py, so now basically the heading is there, YouTube video thumbnail downloader. So basically it is asking you to enter the YouTube URL. So if you watch YouTube here, you will know every video has a unique URL. So let me take this example of my video. If I paste this URL right here inside the command line, and if I press enter, so now it will have the progress bar, so it will download the thumbnail and it will save it inside my location. You will see that this is the high quality thumbnail which is downloaded instantly inside the command line. So basically this Python script is downloading the thumbnail of the YouTube video in maximum quality. You can take another example of a video. Let's suppose this video. Again you need to repeat the same process. Again run the script, paste the URL, and now you can see the second image is downloaded. You can see that this is the thumbnail here which is downloaded inside your machine. So this is the Python script, guys, which we will be using inside this application. So if you want this Python script, you can go to the video description link. I have written a complete blog post on my Coding Shiksha website. So I have written complete instructions, and this is the source code. Simply copy to clipboard. So now let's get started by building this application. So first of all, guys, you will need two libraries for this. One is not mandatory, it is just for styling purposes for this heading. The first library is pyfiglet, pyfiglet. Pyfiglet is the library here, so you need to install this library. And the second library, which is wget, wget. So basically this is the actual library which will make the request and it will download the image. So these two libraries are required, guys. So first of all we will import the pyfiglet library. So this library is simply used to have our banner inside the command line, so just for styling purpose. So if you don't use this, your application will work. So here you can provide a heading here which is YouTube video thumbnail downloader. So if you just want to print this inside a star pattern, so if you just run your application, this is just for styling purpose, it is not related to the application. You can see YouTube video thumbnail downloader. So basically we are just giving a unique heading to the console application. So you have seen console application having this feature embedded into it, so that's why we are using this. So now coming back to the functionality, guys, we will import the wget library, and here we will ask the user to input. We will use the input method, and here we will simply say enter YouTube URL. So here we will ask the user to copy paste the video URL, and then we will extract the ID. So for extracting the ID we will use the split method, and we will split it when the equal to sign, we will put a comma 1, and then we will extract this 1. In this way we can get the ID, YouTube video ID. So if you now run this application, so it will ask the just print the for the YouTube video URL. So if you paste it here, now you will see this has successfully extracted this portion which is after this equal to sign. So it is successfully extracted this portion, that exactly what we want here. So we need to extract this video ID. So this simply extracted this. So after extracting this, guys, the job is very much easy. We need to download the thumbnail. We will make a new variable thumbnail URL. And now to get the thumbnail, there is a format here which you can use, image youtube.com/vi/. and then we will concatenate our ID. Now to get the maximum resolution, we will add this portion to the URL, which is max resolution default dot jpg. That's it. So now to download this from this URL, we will simply use the download method of Wget. So there is a download method of Wget which actually downloads the resource or any sort of file into the machine. So here we will pass the URL, which is thumbnail URL. That's it. So now this will store this inside the root directory. Let me just delete all these images. So now if I run this file here, guys, once again, so now it will ask for me to copy paste. Let me copy link address. So just see in the left hand side as I press enter, a file will be downloaded. You can see that this is the thumbnail which is downloaded successfully inside your command line or inside your machine. So in this way, guys, you can download any sort of thumbnail of the YouTube video inside your command line inside Python. So this is the script. If you want this, you can go to the video description link to copy paste all the source code. Please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next live stream.